Hey guys, it's Sergio.
And Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, today guys, we are in the Briarwood neighborhood in Dallas, Texas. We're only about 5 to 10 minutes to Love Field Airport. We are just minutes away from Inwood Village and 10 minutes to Highland Park Village. So Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, and this is actually our newest listing.
It sure is.
It's built by Shaddock Custom Homes. It's a 5-bedroom, 5.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 4,375 square feet. It's currently listed at $2,600,000, which is $594 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.17 acre lot, which is 7,400 square feet.
Awesome, thank you Sheila for that information. Guys, I want to remind you, as always, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area and you want to partner with true luxury agents with over 10 years experience, well, that is Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1, and we're also part of the #1 luxury broker in town, Ali Beth Allman and Associates. So, with that being said, let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Or perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your seller or buyer needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.